setting the category for the country, region, state, province, and city, just like we did earlier on. So we go to where? We go to the table. Remember, it says not the hierarchy. So we go to the top there. The first one is country, region. Did you see that? Make sure country, region is selected, not the one in the hierarchy. Now we go to the property, then we select under advanced, we expand it, we scroll down, then we go to where it says data category.
But you did not change the
Excuse me?
country region on top. Change to slash, country slash.
No, we are going to the property. We are not renaming this.
Okay, I did it wrong.
Yeah, we are not renaming this. Yeah, so we come to the data category here. We go to the data category, then we go to where it says country/region. Similar to what we did in the previous one where it says country. Is that not correct? Now select that. Now, did you see it? You see something like an internet globe appears? Good. Now the next one is state province, is the last column there, state province. State province. Select state province. It's just beneath the collapsed resellers hierarchy we created. State province is just underneath the last column. Then we go to data category. Then we scroll down. We select state. State or what? Or province. Or province, yeah. State or province. You will see an internet globe also pops up. Yes, it means the changes was made. Then what is the next one? City. So we select cities right there on the top, just after business type. Then we go to data category on the property. We select the drop down list, then we select what? City. Yes. Then you see the globe as well, because it's talking of geography. Have you done that? Have we finished this? Okay, let's go now to the sales table. So you can collapse now. So we expand the sales table. Now click on the cost column. You will see that the property appears. Now on the property bar, where it says cost, you see cost. Below cost, you see the word description. Now, on where it says description, type the word standard based on standard costs. Type the word based on standard costs. Yeah. Based on standard cost. Is that what you have? Now just click outside. Just click outside. Just click outside. So the changes will make. It will make the changes. Just click anywhere outside. Have you done that? The idea is that so that the guy, now take your mouse, put your mouse here. Did you see there's a description written based on standard cost? Huh? The idea is that if you are doing a collaboration with somebody else, they are able to know, okay, you are talking of, are we together? Yeah. Okay. Can we just go outside, get the snack for 5? So we stopped at the sales table. We went to the cost, then we typed the word based on standard cost. And I explained, in case you do collaboration, then the person is able to understand the description of that cost. Are we following? Okay. Can we select quantity? Quantity. Okay. Good people, what we are doing, we are actually just working with the property. Everything we select here, we come here to fix it. Are we following? So on the property, number 3, they want us to convert the settings to be the formatting section to be in 1,000 separator. You know 1,000 separator, meaning every 3 zeros is separated. Okay, can we scroll down under formatting? Did you see formatting there? Huh? Do you see formatting?
Yeah.
Now, below, just after you have format, you see percentage format. Below percentage format, you see 1,000 separator.
Yeah.
Click yes. Have you clicked yes? Okay. Yes, 1,000 separator. It's just below percentage format. Did you see that? We good? Okay. So the concept there is every time a data is filled in that column, it will go as 1,000 what? Separators automatically. Okay. Let's move on to unit price. Can we select unit price? Is the last column on sales table. Can we select unit price? Okay. Take note, I'm actually recording this session. Now, on the unit price column, on the property section, it says we should go on formatting section again, but this time, where you have decimal places, by default, it says auto. Decimal places, it says auto. Is that correct? Now select auto and you can type the word 2 there. 2. Just type 2. Just type 2. Just wait. It's okay. So come up.
Where is it?
It's on resources. Just go to resources. Password. Then enter. Okay, then you type 2 decimal places. Just wait for it to pop up. Remember, check your time in case it comes up. Type your continue.
Of you.
What is daarmee?
I'm typing myself.
The format. It's a decimal number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fixed. That was currency.
This is your first time, eh? You have not extended.
No, I did.
Okay.
Then we are already extended.
Have you extended before?
Yes.
What?
Yes. That's why I told you the other time I'm only leaving this news.
God have mercy.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then put your 2.
Yeah, that's why. How many times does it extend?
Decimal. Only once. Well, just check in case it comes up. I'll try to call that guy.
Yeah.
I'll try to call him.
Decimal.
So we did the unit. Have we done the unit column?
Yes.
Okay. So we set up decimal place 2. Is that not correct?
Yes.
Now let's go to advance. Still on unit price. Let's go to advance. Still on unit. Now, if you go to advance, expand it. If you scroll down, you will see another option that says data categorize. Huh? Now select it. Now, if you scroll down, no, sorry, not that. Not data categorized, where it says summarized by. Huh? So, excuse me. So normally, it's currently summarized by sum, so it's total. So now we want it to summarize based on average. So go by summarize by average. From the sum, select average.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hey, thank you for your patience. So I was checking on that lab here, and it looks like it's only an hour-long lab. You said this was due to connection issues?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, we can't extend that out. You guys do have a maximum time on these labs for 3 hours. With the extension, that will be prompted to extend the lab with 10 minutes
Okay.
into the lab. You also do have several launches.
Yeah, but the network was just blank. The screen was just white. And it came up on its own. Yes. It was blank. It was white.
I'm showing some high latency on the connection here. That's probably due to that. I can send you our connectivity requirements document. It could help with
Our connectivity is fine. You can do a remote desktop and I can show you how fast the network works. The download speed is fine. The upload speeds are good. But this connection was coming from your side. Now, this is a particular student's computer that was not working. So it will.
Yeah, on Rachel's lab instance that I'm looking at here, I'm showing high spikes of latency throughout the whole entire lab.
So.
Up to 1,190 milliseconds.
Yeah, but that's just one person. The rest are fine.
Okay. Can I have another lab instance? I can check on theirs as well.
I don't understand.
Do you have a different lab instance ID? I can check.
Yeah,
on their
619
lab as well.
619 69248.
All right, thank you, sir. Let me pull that up here.
Okay, but I will really need that to be extended because then I'll have to open a query that really doesn't sound right for Scalable to provide the extension, but then the lab still needs disconnects at every time.
Yes, sir. I just opened the lab instance you provided me, and that one's also showing high latency up to 559 milliseconds.
But I never got disconnected. Yeah.
The white screen and the slowness in the lab that's causing these to be extended is linked to the connection issue.
But I never had the issue.
Yes, sir. And I apologize, but we can't extend every student's lab instance in this class, especially because it's only an hour lab. They do have multiple attempts, though, to run through these. I can definitely send you our document on the connectivity requirements. If you'd like.
Yeah, but now we need that lab extended for now. Since we have an active class.
Yes, I can reach out internally to see if we can get that done. However, I would have to open a ticket regarding it.
Yeah, but that's going to take, just have 24 minutes left.
Understood. I'll reach out right away, but I'll open a ticket.
Okay, let's proceed. So, have we clicked on average summary by average? Okay. Now let's go to the last, bulk updates. Can we collapse sales? Okay. Now go to the data panel. Now, number 2 says press Control key. In my experience, when I did it with the students, they probably hide everything. Are we following? Huh? Guys, are we following? Yeah, they probably end up hiding everything. So this is what I did. The first option is region. That's where they say we should start from. Did you notice that? Okay. Now make sure everything is collapsed. Is everything collapsed? Now expand region. Are we together? Now select sales territory. Select sales territory. Now make sure you are screwed up. Make sure you screw up where your property starts from. Now, do you see an option that says is hidden? Huh? Toyin, did you see the option? Is hidden. It's just here. Under display folder. Now click yes. Select yes. You'll see a cross sign on the right hand side, far right side of sales territory. Sales territory key, you see it. Is that not correct? Okay, now collapse region. Collapse it. Collapse region. Have you done that? Just select is hidden. That's all. Yeah?
Yeah, that's all. You can go.
That's all. Now expand reseller. Expand reseller. Now select reseller key. Reseller is just close to the reseller hierarchy. Now select is hidden again on the property. Have you done that? Good. Close it. Go to sales. Start with employee key. The reason why we are hiding them is because these are keys. They are not data that we need for analysis. So that when we get to the report view, they don't display as part of the data we need for visualization. Are we together? Because there are tendency that a mistake can happen, we select the wrong table, a wrong column. Are we following? Okay, on the sales, it says we should work with the reseller key. So select is hidden. That's the first one. Employee key, yes. Oh, sorry about that. But I think it's also part of that too.
So just for interest, if you expand sales again, you get
Product key. So select product key. Then you say is hidden. And the next one is what? Reseller key. When I make mistake, you guys really correct me fast. Then I wonder, maybe I should be making more mistakes. Reseller key is hidden. Then what's the next one? Sales order number is hidden. Then the third one, sales territory key is hidden. Have you done that? Okay. Then we collapse. So we are done with sales table. Did you see that? But this is something, see, it says we go to salesperson, right? Let's go to salesperson. Expand it. Select employee ID is hidden. Employee key is hidden. Then the last one is UPN is hidden. Okay, we close that. Then we go to salesperson region. We select employee key is hidden, and sales territory key is also what? Hidden. Yes, both of them. Excuse me? Yeah, it's only just two things that are there. Yeah, we don't need them to be displayed. They are just keys. Then the next one is target. The only thing for target is the employee ID. then we say it's hidden. That's all. So number 3 says we should say yes, it's hidden. Then on number 4, we're asked to do something else. We go to products. Number 4, we go to products. Excuse me. Product. Under product, select standard costs. Have you selected standard cost? Now, in the property panel, we are asked to go to the formatting section. Are we together? Then under decimal places, you can scroll down. Under where you have decimal places, by default is auto. We're asked to add 0 there. Just type 0. That's all. Just type 0. Just type 0. Collapse it. Once that is done, once that changes is done, collapse. Then go to sales. Then go to cost. Yes. Go to cost. Then go to decimal places. Then where you have auto, put 0 there as well. Yeah, where you have decimal places on the property, put 0 there. Then the last one is sales. On sales, where you have decimal places, put 0 there. Yeah. So what we are trying to say is that every figure or data that goes into those columns, the decimal place is 0. So there's no .00. So it's a whole number. Yeah. Good. So we don't need to go do, so you see what we are doing here? There are so many formulas and formatting we don't need to do on our table. You can do all that on the property. Are we together? Yeah. So you don't need to do that on the Excel sheet. Let it come like that. You can use this to fine tune it. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're done. We're going strong because I've heard less people screaming now. Okay, can we go back to the report view? The report view now, let's click on the report view. If you click on the report view, you can collapse all the tables. Do you notice one table is missing there? What table is missing? Salesperson what? Region. Because you hide both columns. So it doesn't need to appear there. Are we together? And if you go to regions now, you'll notice that the region reseller key is not there. Did you see that? But if you go back to modern view, you can see everything there. Are we following? Yeah. So your modern view is more of your back office. While the report view is more of your what? Front office, where you design the view. You design your report. Are we together? Okay. Good. Let's proceed. Okay, I think the region, it just says you notice. Okay. So while we're in the report view, it says go to expand the sales order date field. Expand, we're going to close region now. Expand the sales table. There is something here. Did you do it? Did you create that? You didn't create anything like called order dates. But order dates came with your table, yes or no? Now expand it. Did you notice it's a hierarchy? Expand it. What do you see? What did you see? It says date hierarchy. Is that correct? Expand it. What do you get there? Because your date has a year, your date has a quarter, it has a month, and it has a what? This is what we call time intelligence. Are we together, class? This was created automatically by Power BI based on the fact that after you did your relationship, it noticed that some of your tables, columns have dates. Did you guys remember when we're doing the formatting and transformation, we indicated that this particular column is a what? Dates. So the moment you finish your modeling and design, Power BI decided to allocate dates hierarchies to all of your data to help you format it when you do your reports. Are we following? Yes. But there is an issue with our report, because if we wanted to do our financial year, it's going to complicate our report, because our financial year did not start from January. It started from where? It started from July. So we need to fix that. So to fix that, we are going to remove that time intelligence so that this thing disappears. So to do that, go to File. Are you on File? Go to where you see Options and Settings. You see it there. Under Sign In, Options and Settings. Click on it. Now, what do you see on the top? Options. Is that correct? Click on it. Now, a screen comes up that gives you two types of options. One of them is called Global. You see Global on the top. Did you see Global? Mm-hmm. And there's another one beneath it that says Current File. Now, we are not using a global settings. We're currently using Current File. We're currently using a file. Now, under Current File, select Data Load. Under Current File, select Data Load. The way I'm selecting it now on the screen. Under Current File, select Data Load. Have you selected it? Do you notice that by default, time intelligence is checked? Did you notice? Huh? Time intelligence, now uncheck that. Uncheck it. Have you done so? Now click OK. Is the data hierarchy gone? Doesn't mean you don't need it. For it to be gone doesn't mean you don't need it. You actually need it. It should be part of your workflow. That's why Power BI created it. But the reason why we're removing it is because we have an idea of what we want to achieve. Are we following? So those date tables that Power BI created automatically, we also have to go and create it in that format as well, based on what we want to achieve. Meaning we have to go and create a custom table that has the day, the month, the quarter, and the year. Are we following? Okay. So let's proceed. So the first task we are asked to do is to create measures. So we're going to be learning how to create measures. Just like I've explained before from the beginning, measures are used to enhance and make your report more simpler. Are we together? By using filtering context. So let's start with the first option. Can we go to the sales table? Click on the sales table the way you see me click on it. Okay? Are we following? Whenever you want to create a measure, you create it from the table name by selecting the table. Remember, measures will act like a column in your data. But you and I know that it's just a formula that is filtering from the existing what? Columns or existing measures. Now select the table. Select the table. Have we selected it? Sales table. Sales table. It's used to create quick measures. A table is where you create quick measures. You don't create measures from column. You create it from the table. Because after you created the measure appears. You are 2 hours. Okay. The measures appears on the column. Okay, let's proceed. Now click on sales table. Do you notice the moment you click on the sales table, there's a table 2 on the menu that appears? When you select sales table, a table 2 appears, yes or no? Yes. You see an option there that says quick measure. Click on it. Now, once you click on quick measure, do you have a panel that shows quick measure? Okay. Now, on the panel, we are asked to go to mathematical operation group. So we go to mathematical operation group by going to the drop-down list. Then we scroll down. Under mathematical operations, do you see an option that says subtraction? Huh? Now select it. Subtraction. Have you selected subtraction? Now, but there's something I want you to take note of. Do you notice that we are actually not doing any table? We're not creating a table. We are creating a what? A formula. We are working with a formula here. Yes or no? Good. I want you to pay attention. Now, the next step, number 3, says drag sales. So sales is a table. So go to where you see sales table. Look at it there. This one. This column here, sales. Huh? Yeah, this is sales table. This is sales column. Now drag this, drop it where it says base value. Drag it and drop it here.
And it becomes sum of sales.
Have you dragged it and drop it there? So it's giving you a summary. It's totaling it. Sum of sales. Base value. Because you are doing a subtraction. Huh? This is exactly the same thing the kids come for with their homework. Is that not correct? Yeah. So this is the sales. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4 says drag cost. So we go to cost, select cost. We drag it, drop it where it says value to subtract from. Value to subtract. Then you put it there. Then it says sum of cost. Is that what you have, guys? Yes. Huh? That's what you have. Now click add. Now see what happens. Do you have something that says, do you see a calculator that added under sales table? Yes. Did you see that? Okay. So number 5 says you should add it. Number 6 says in the add panel, you will notice there is a new icon that says sum of sales minus sum of cost. It's like a calculator icon. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. We are asked to rename it and call it profits. Now, look at my mouse. Take your mouse there, click on it and double click. Then it will highlight it. Is that not correct? Yes. Then type the word profits with a capital letter P. Profit. Then press enter. Double click on it. Yes, just double click on it. Then it will highlight. Then just type profits. Because that's what the instruction says. We should rename it to profits. Huh? Profits, just profit is there. Profits, no S, profits, no S. Profit. Can we select the sales table again? So we want to create another measure. Guys, does measure make sense now? Is a filter from a column by using a formula to create a new column. We actually created a column, yes or no? The name of the column is called profits, but it's not an actual column because it's not real. It's a formula that is a filter from two different what? Columns. Is that not correct? Yes. Yeah, we're creating the data from two different columns. Now let's proceed. Number 8 says, on the sales table, add a second measure. So in this time, we are going to the sales table. Are we following? Mm-hmm. Now, on the option, on the mathematical group, go to the drop down. The first one we selected was subtraction. Is that not correct? Mm-hmm. Now select division. Division. Have you selected division? Mm-hmm. Who said not yet? Ask to, after using the X, after clicking on the X to remove these two data that were previously used, it says set the numerator to be sales profit. This was the measure you just created just now. Is that not correct? Mm-hmm. So drag it now and drop it. Drag it now and drop it on the numerator. Now, do you think it's profits that you are dragging there? What are you dragging there? The sum of costs minus the sum of sales. Sum of sales minus the sum of costs. Are we together? That's what is actually there. Not really profits. Are we together? Okay, let's proceed. Then it says we should drag sales. So drag the sales column. So click on the sales column and drag it and drop it denominator. Have you done so? Yes. Yes. Okay, click add. So a new data has been added. Is that not correct? Yes. And what does it say? It says we should change it, the name to what? Profit margin, right? So double click like before and type the word profit space margin, then press enter. So the new word, the new measure we created now is called profit what? Margin. Are we following? Okay, let's proceed. Now, why it is still selected, you notice on the top, there's a measuring tool format that appeared. Is that correct? It's like a formatting. Now, according to number 9, it says change the percentage to 2 decimal place. Are we together? So come here where you have, this is comma, so we select percentage. Can we select percentage? Then on the 0, you say we should change it to 2. So backspace 2. Then you press enter. Are we together? So any data that profit margin produces to us will become what? A percentage, not in figures. Are we together? Now look at what happens here. Look at what I explained to you. What is DAX? That is what DAX is. Profit margin equals to divide profit, comma, sum of sales. That is my profit margin. Are we following? Okay, always be careful with this end because you have selected this. That's why this is showing. So if you want to take this out, just select the sales table and the formula bar will disappear. Are we together? Okay. So number 10 says we want to test the two measures with the existing table visuals. Okay, what's your current visuals? Is this one? Yeah, I'm just going to collapse this so that you guys can see my screen nicely. This is how to collapse this. You see all these things that expanded here? The quick measures, you can always collapse it by using this icon here. Collapse, collapse, and collapse so that you can get a better view. Are we following? Okay, for the sake of you guys, I'm just going to bring mine to the middle so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. Let me just expand it a little bit. Yeah. So number 12, number 11, they said, okay, in the data panel, you see your data panel. Now, why this is still selected? Make sure this is selected. Is this selected? Yeah, make sure it's selected. Now, it said select profits. You see profits? Check the box. Check it. Did you see profit has been added? Now, the next one is select what? Profit what? Margin. Can you select profit margin?
Oops, is a bubble.
Did you see it gives you the percentage? Huh? Okay, the next lab we're doing now is create a many-to-many relationship. Are we together? Yeah, many-to-many relationship. So to do this, they said in the report view, select a blank page, select a blank space. Okay, let me just minimize this. Let me just push it here. Okay. Just select a blank space. Can you select a blank space? Do you see the difference now? If you select a blank space, everything is unchecked. I think I explained this from the beginning. Yeah, you cannot create even a new one like what you just displayed now and do another type of presentation. Are we following? Okay, we are asked to create a new visuals called salesperson. So can we go to salesperson, then select the box salesperson. Does a new visual appear? Like mine? Yeah, you can drag it down so that it displays everybody. Or to is it TSV? TSV or something? Do you have something like this?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. You reach this side.
Until the double arrows.
Okay. Are we together, guys? Now, can we select another one? Sales. Can we go to the sales table? Then select sales. Are we together, guys? Yes. Now, what you see on the screen there, it's the table, because of the relationship, is telling you the individual who sold. These are salespeople, like agents. This is the amount of the total sum of sales each of them made. That gave us 77 million. Are we following? Okay. But that figure is not correct, eh?
Mine is 1.7.
Excuse me?
Mine is 1.7.
What do you mean 1.7?
The sales of those individuals.
77.54.
So the next step is, it says you will notice that Michael has generated, look at Michael there.
Yeah.
It's about 8 million plus,
Yeah, 8 million.
almost 9 million.
Yeah.
Now let's switch back to the modern view. Go to the modern view. The modern view. The third icon, guys.
Okay.
Modern view, in fact, you should know that destination.
Okay.
It is where, modern view is where you see things like this. Organizational structure. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to switch to modern view. Now it says go to the salesperson region. You see salesperson region there?
Yes.
Now it says this salesperson region on the modern view. I think this is the guy here. This guy here. This one. This. Select it. Can you select it?
The one on the left side.
Yeah, the one on the box, the white box, salesperson region, this one. In the view, the modern view, salesperson. Have you selected it?
Yes.
Because Toyin is looking at me.
No, I'm disturbing what you say. I don't want to walk out without saying I'm going at that time. My apology came with this.
It's okay, ma'am. Yeah. Toyin, I'm concerned. Have you selected it?
No, not the column. This, the model interface. This one here. Look at where my mouse is. Salesperson region. Huh? Now it says drag it down, drag it. Just when you select, drag down, just in between salesperson and reseller. Just drag it to the bottom. Have you dragged it? Okay, they want us to create a relationship between number 5. So we're going to be using the drag technique to create a relationship between salesperson employee key to salesperson region employee key. Are we together? So we know what to do if we're using the manage relationship. Now click on manage relationship. So where are we coming from? New relationship. Where are we coming from? We're coming from salesperson. Is that not correct? Salesperson table. Can we select salesperson table? I started from dragging this here. Then I go to manage relationship. I'm in number 5 now. Can we go to manage relationship? Are we on manage relationship? Select new relationship. Which table are we coming from? Salesperson. So we select salesperson. And which table are we going to? Salesperson what? Region. By default, did employee key select? Huh?
Yes.
Huh? We have employee key that selected. Is that not correct? Excuse me? Make sure it is salesperson and salesperson region table we are going to. Tony, is that what you have? Yes. Good. This salesperson employee key to salesperson region employee key. Click save. Have we done that? Now, why the wizard is still open before we click close? Say new relationship again. And what's the second relationship? No, activate it again. What's the second relationship? Region. So we click on region. And where are we going to? Salesperson region. Thank you. Salesperson region. Now, what was selected? Sales territory key, because these are the columns that both of them share common what? Data with. Now click save. Have you done that? Okay. Number 6 says, let's switch back to the report view. Yeah, we can close. Yeah. Now let's switch back to the report view. Have you switched back to the report view? Now it says, when you switch, you'll notice that Michael 8 million has not updated. Yes or no? Yes. It has not updated. Okay, let's switch back to the modern view. Now, what we're trying to learn something here. What we're trying to learn is how data are propagated between relationships. There is something blocking Michael data from reflecting the actual amount he made. Now, the concept of this is not that it will not work like this with any other company. It will work. But the problem is that Michael's sales was recorded in such a way that Michael's sales is not just one person sale, but as a manager, like your boss there, it sales that you make, all goes to him when he presents the data. Since is your team head. That is the case of Michael here. Michael is the team head. But these sales, some other sales were made by his team lead that were not calculated, though his name was also attached to those what? Sales. So the problem here is that our connection between the region, you see the region here? The region and the salesperson, and the salesperson to the sales is creating a conflict between the data that needs to pull out to give us the actual amount Michael made totally as a salesperson. The concept is that Michael is a manager and has team lead that makes sales. Then we have a report that is displaying the sales that Michael made as a salesperson. But there were sales made in the region that was not recorded on Michael Bytes. Now, that sales information is on the sales table for that sales for that region. Are you getting me? So in order to accumulate the total sales for each individual, what they made both as an individual and in the regions they always made sale, we will need to now prevent a propagation from region to salesperson. Because look at it, region already has a relationship with sales. Then we are now having another relationship from region sales territory to the region salesperson territory that goes to the salesperson, and salesperson is also going to what? Sales. Are we following? We are trying to create a different type of data. Are you getting me? For regions, for salespeople, but then it's conflicting by blocking the data from the region that the salespeople made for each of the regions. Did you get that point? Huh? Yeah, because look at it. It's coming from here to this point. I think there's even a description here. Consider that the salesperson table filters sales table. It also filters the salesperson region table, but does not continue by propagating the filter to the region. Are we following? Huh? Okay, so let's do that. Let's go to number 8. Number 8 says edit the relationship. So how do you edit a relationship? Do you see the triangle icon here? Do you see this icon? The icon between the line of every relationship. Huh? Tony, can you see it? It says we should click on that. Can you select it? Select it. Double click. Do you see the edit relationship wizard appears? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Do you see an option there in the edit relationship that says cross filtering? By default, the canality. What does it say? Select. Cross filtering. By default, it says single. Yes. Huh? Yes. Now select both. Select both. Have you selected both? Yes. Then select apply security filters for both directions. Have you done that? Yes. Sorry, just come again. On the cross filtering direction, under canality there, you will see where it says both directions. By default, it's single. From one ear. Have we done that? Yes, both direction. Cross filtering, both direction. Have we done that? Now select apply security filters for both direction. Have you done that? Now click save.
Save.
Yeah. Have you saved? Do you see the arrow now appears in both directions? So sales territory from sales region goes there. Region also goes both. So it's both sides. Are we together? Yes. Then you have something like this. Is that correct? Have we done that? Has the relationship doubled on both directions? Okay. Number 18, number 13, I think number 14, switch, no, number 13, switch to the report view. Number 13, switch to the report view. Did Michael change? Did he change?
No.
Report view, just switch back to the report view. Did Michael change?
No.
Okay, let's go back to the modern view. Let's go back to the modern view. Okay. Now we want to force this thing to happen. To force it, can we go to where you have salesperson? You remember salesperson here? Salesperson and sales table. That is their relationship there. Look at it there. Click on the relationship. The employee key and employee key. Click on it. Salesperson relationship with the sales table. Look at, you can check my screen and see where I'm clicking. Salesperson. Have you done that? Now double click on it. Where it says make this relationship active, uncheck. Uncheck the box. Have you done so? Have you done so? Guys, have you done? My screen is showing. Click save. Do you see a dotted line? Do you see a dotted line? Because we are trying to capture the sales report from the regions, not the individual. That's why we are disabling this. Like I said, okay, let's finish this. Have you clicked save? Number 8 says you will notate the dotted line. Is that not correct? Now switch back to the report view. How much is Michael made? Not only Michael's data changed, almost every other person's data changed. But did the total change?
No.
Exactly. What is the problem, Tony? Okay, let's switch back to the modern view. Have we switched back to the modern view? Select salesperson table. Select salesperson table. Expand the property. You guys should look at my screen. Yeah, it's also key. Yes? Okay. Can you click on the salesperson? Now, on the property, what does it say? Salesperson, is that not correct? Yes. Now, according to our number 22, it says rename it by calling it salesperson space, bracket open performance, close bracket. Can you do that? Space, bracket open, performance. Please spell it correctly, performance. Then close the bracket. Like that. Yeah. It's already salesperson, just put a space, then type the word performance. Have you done that? Okay. Click outside. Just click anywhere outside. It would make the changes. Has it changed? Good. Are we together? Guys, it's just to rename this. It's not something big. Just rename this. That's all. Let's proceed. Can we go to the target? Can we go to targets? Are we okay? Okay. This is where we created the relationship just now. Let me just create it all over again. We set up, we click on manage relationship. The new relationship. We started from salesperson performance, because that's what the instruction says. Then to which table? Targets. And the common they have is what? Employee target. Is that not correct? Employee ID, sorry about that, yeah. Then we click save. Yeah, target, employee ID. Are we done? It's from salesperson performance, that is from the table. You can see the instruction here. Salesperson performance to the target what? Table. Click close. Then go to the report view. Now select the salesperson visuals we created earlier on. Yeah, you can adjust it a little bit. So what did they ask us to select in the report view? Expand targets on your table. Then you see where you see targets. Click target. Do you have something like that? So the target for this company is 676 million. Excuse me? Select, the question says in the report view, select where you have the salesperson as sum of sales, select it and select on the table targets, the target column. Then this will appear. And that completes the lab. So that's